Welcome to Jagma Talk. Today I am going to give lecture on new type of partnership act for CA, CMA, CS, graduate and law students. We all know Indian Partnership Act 1932. However, it is after having some review in the international countries like UK, US and in various Gulf countries, Australia and Singapore, where there is LLP system is in use. After having review of these LLP Act in these countries, a separate legal entity form of partnership firm has brought into India, that is called Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, that is LLP. So let me tell you, this new type of Partnership Act 2008 which has come into force in India, what is the main concept of this LLP? The main concept of this LLP stands for Limited Liability Partnership. Main concept is, it is an alternative corporate business from that gives the benefit of limited liability of a company and the flexibility of a partnership firm. That is the one concept. Another concept of LLP is, it can continue its existence irrespective of changes in partners. Next concept of LLP is, it is capable of entering into contracts and holding property in its own name. Another concept of LLP, that is, it is a separate legal entity and is liable to the full extent of its assets, but liability of the partners is limited to their agreed contribution in the LLP. Now comes the next concept of this LLP is, no partner is liable on account of the independent or unauthorized action of the other partners. Thus, individual partners are shielded from the joint liability created by another partner's wrongful business decision or misconduct. The last concept of this new LLP system which is in use in India, that is, mutual rights and duties of the partners within a LLP are governed by an agreement between the partners or between the partners and the LLP, as the case may be. So ultimately this LLP system is nothing but, it is a hybrid between a company and partnership. So this LLP Act, when it came into force, the bill was made an act in the year 2009. The act contains 14 chapters with 81 sections and 4 schedules. The first schedule speaks about provisions regarding matters relating to the mutual rights and duties of the partners and limited liability partnership and its partners applicable in the absence of any agreement of such matters. That all about you can learn from first schedule. what the second schedule speaks, the second schedule is all about conversion from firm into limited liability partnership. Now the third schedule that speaks about conversion from private company into limited liability partnership. The fourth schedule speaks all about conversion from unlisted company into limited liability partnership. So the central government made the limited liability partnership rule 2009, which came into effect from 1st April 2009. So this is all about the new Partnership Act, that is Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.